So before we get into the charts, let's look at this article and video. This is coming from Yahoo Finance. SEC sues Binance and founder CZ in newest crypto clash. The SEC filed a lawsuit on Monday against the world's largest crypto exchange, Binance Holdings, and its founder, CZ, alleging violations of U.S. securities law. Let's get into the video.
For mishandling customer funds and breaking securities rules. Yahoo Finance's Jennifer Schomburger is following the story for us and has more on that now. Jen.
Good afternoon, Shauna. That's right. The SEC leveling 13 charges against Binance and its co-founder Changpeng Zhao for operating an illegal trading platform and misuse of customer funds, amongst other allegations. SEC Chair Gary Gensler saying in a statement today that the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, quote, engaged in an extensive web of deception, conflicts of interest, lack of disclosure, and calculated evasion of the law. According to the SEC, Zhao, or CZ as the CEO is known, and Binance understood that they were operating the Binance.com platform in violation of numerous U.S. laws, including federal securities laws. According to the SEC's complaint, Binance's chief compliance officer bluntly admitted to another Binance compliance officer in December of 2018 that, quote, "We are operating as an effing unlicensed security exchange in the USA, bro." Among the 13 charges, the SEC alleges Binance failed to register as a national securities exchange, broker-dealer, and clearing agency. The exchange also misled investors by claiming surveillance and controls over trading manipulation without actually having those controls in place. Now, the SEC lawsuit also alleges Binance and CZ misused customers' funds and diverted them to a trading firm that CZ controlled called Sigma Chain. The SEC said Sigma Chain engaged in fraudulent trading that made Binance's volume appear actually larger than it was. Binance responding, looking like it's going to fight this lawsuit, a spokesperson telling me that the company will, quote, vigorously defend its business, calling the SEC's actions, quote, unjustified, and noting that today, despite our efforts at productive engagement, the SEC abandoned and denied us due process and instead unilaterally chose to litigate. We respectfully disagree with the SEC's allegations that Binance operated as an unregistered securities exchange or illegally offered and sold securities. We will see how Binance responds. The SEC has asked to have U.S. assets frozen.
All right, so let's continue on with the article. So Binance said in a tweet that we believe the lawsuit is baseless and we intend to defend ourselves vigorously. CZ tweeted the number 4 in reference to an earlier post he shared listing a goal for 2023 to ignore FUD, fake news, attacks, etc. Our team is all standing by ensuring systems are stable, including withdrawals and deposits. The charges follow a similar lawsuit filed in March by the Commodities and Futures Trading Commission, which alleged Binance offered unregistered futures and options contracts to U.S. crypto traders. Okay, so we're going to go to the charts right now. And if you are a chartist, if you look at the weekly chart, you can see price is somewhat respecting this uptrend line. You had a piercing, but then you had a close above. You had a decline in price, hit the uptrend line, and then close higher. However, this time it might appear, it's early in the week, we do have a piercing. The question is whether we get a close above or below the uptrend line. Nevertheless, if we scroll down to the daily chart, You can see on the daily chart, again, we had that piercing on the weekly chart, but we did have a close. The next day we had price went down to go up. The question is, are we going to have a similar price pattern where we had a close below, and today we are in the green where price went down first to go up. Let me scroll back to the weekly chart just to show you that we had a lot of sideways price action going back to over a year. And when you are in this range, the best thing to do is play the extremes. You sell on the top side, buy on the bottom side. All right, let's go back down to the daily chart. And so prices may never continue to decline. Again, we went down roughly $30 yesterday on Binance. So it could be oversold, as the RSI is indicating. When it was oversold back in March, you can see how it reacted. It was also oversold back in December and reacted to the upside. So we could see a reaction in which price steadily increases. But the best level to buy is if price can get down to the 260, where there are daily buyers. You can see back in March, price attempted to come down, couldn't even hit the zone and reacted. So you know that there are buyers sitting here waiting to bid up price. Now, volume is not the greatest. However, this is your indication that there are buyers. As again, price could not even penetrate the zone before reacting higher. This news is just recent and the latest in the crypto FUD and the SEC trying to shut down and continue to choke the crypto exchanges. If you believe in crypto, believe in Binance, the best level to go long again is roughly $20 lower. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.